Hello, good day everyone, and welcome back to my blog. So for today, I'm kind of working right now on the Bosun store. Apparently, the job order I have right now is basically pumped out something or some oil or something inside the bow thruster room. And I've already radioed on the bridge here that I'm going inside. Shit, there's a lot of noise here. Better turn off the volume. So I've already informed the bridge here that I'm going to inside the bow thruster rooms. This is an enclosed space, and I borrowed for the work the so-called vacuum pump from the engine. We don't have these on deck. Unfortunately, these toys are only available for the engine. So I had to borrow them. And if you look at it, it looks more like a vacuum cleaner or what do you call this? An ad hoc vacuum cleaner. But instead of putting it in a power plug, you put it on an air pneumatic hose, and from the name itself, the vacuum cleaner morely sucks in air and dirt, but this one sucks basically on liquid, specifically oil. Anyway, I've already had the permission to go inside, so I'll carry these two and uh, enter the bow thruster room. So yeah, I got a lot of equipment, and I know this isn't the proper way of going in and out of the ladder, or even walking on it, but who cares? I'm the only one here. So anyway, I'm still going to find which area the job order that I had is referring to. All that I know is it's way down below the bow thruster room, as in way down below. And, well, I think just right beneath or right beside those two bow thruster engines. So, oh, oh shit, I forgot the fan. Well, anyway, I'll go get back up. Um, yeah, I'll go get back up a few moments. Apparently, I easily forget things and remember. But anyway, oh god, I think this helmet isn't really suitable for me when it comes to attaching my action camera. Got nearly fell off on that one. Maybe I'll switch off my camera when I get back. For now, I'm just gonna check some stuff here. Hopefully, like I said, it won't uh, make the camera fall off. So this is the one that they're talking with. Fortunately, I have to take a look with this one. I think they're referring to on the oil area here. God damn it. Oh yes, of course it is. This is the one, you see that? This small, call this small area here has oil. So, and I'm not sure if I could even have it, or I can manually clean it up using my hand. So definitely a vacuum pump is needed, which is this one, an oversized vacuum cleaner. Okay, well anyway, I've already found the area that I'm working at. So, only thing I have to find is the air hose for me to connect, and of course the air hose. I know it's here somewhere. Well, we got a hydraulic stuff connected here, but no air hose. Right, let me check. I think there's an air hose nearby. You think this is the one? Probably. I'll check it out. I think it's an air hose, although it's unmarked. So not a very good thing. Yep, definitely an air connection here. And right, let me check. Oh, this isn't the one. Oh, lucky me. We do have one. Okay, let's see if this. Okay, probably this should be enough. Or I guess. Yeah, let me check if there's another air hose around here somewhere. Or any air hose outlet of some sort. So I better stay off on the camera. Well, as long as the camera isn't zooming on me, it's not going to be a problem on how I'm working with. So a lot of valves here that is not related to my work. There's also an air hose here, if I recall, but it's too far off. It's something a bit near here. Yeah, I need something a bit near. Oh, wait, great. Let me check how. Let me check how's this gonna turn out. Right. Well, let's hope it. Okay. Just gonna measure this one for a moment. Okay. Hopefully this is long enough to go across the room or the chamber here. Yeah, the bow thruster chamber. Let me check. Okay, finally. Good, good, good. Goody, goody. Yeah, I guess it's enough. So, okay, that's good enough. All right. Yeah, okay, well, at least we're good with this. So I'm just gonna connect the nearest air hose connection here. And hopefully can get something out of this. Right. Great. Okay, it's a lot more complex than I thought. I guess this is the problems with connection. Sometimes there's a possibility that the air hose connection isn't compatible. But I think it is. So goody goody. Okay, now let's properly stretch out these air hose cable. Oh, good. More than enough. Right. Wonderful. Oh God. Gotta better change my helmet. Keep adjusting my action camera here. Yeah. So we switch it on. Okay, so I guess it's not really that compatible. It has, I don't know, better fix that up. Shouldn't have that kind of sound. Oh, what the hell? I guess it's kind of loud because it doesn't have a rubber here. Should have a rubber gasket inside. And nothing much I can do about that. Supposedly it should keep the air away here, but there's no gasket. Hopefully it doesn't smack my face when I switch it on. Okay. Okay, there's a little noise, but there's nothing I can do about that. Okay. And we're gonna hook it up with this vacuum pump. Basically a liquid vacuum cleaner, but they call it vacuum pump. So yeah. Hey, see how's this gonna work out for me. Unfortunately, this vacuum pump also comes with this some sort of gasket, but apparently it doesn't really it doesn't really it's not really that useful. Oh, great, wonderful. Really frustrating to use this one. Ah, damn it. Ah, what the hell? Fuck it. Okay, so we just put the air here. Oh wait, I'll just have to position the vacuum cleaner here. Okay, I'll have to damn it, does this mean I have to go underneath there? I don't like it. Okay, we got water. Right, so it's already positioned here to suck up water. Okay, here goes everything. Okay, I'll just have to hold this one, hold the damn vacuum cleaner, and see if it's going to suck that oil. Well, incidentally, it does suck oil. Okay, let me take a look in here. Well, it's not very good that, or really that effective, unfortunately. Okay, timeout. Still need a rubber gasket, unfortunately. And for the bad part, I can't really use the rubber gasket because it's really, I don't know. The original container of this vacuum pump, the vacuum pump comes with an original container, but apparently the engine told me that the container of the vacuum pump went kaput a long time ago, or was destroyed a long time ago. So he had to do a makeshift kind of stuff here. Anyway, since there's going to be a suction, I have to put on this rubber gasket. And there. Also have a rags because this is going to be some oily stuff. Stuff that I really hate the most. Despite working as in an oil tanker, I actually don't like oil that much. Okay, so here goes nothing. Wait, oh yeah. Yeah, right, I'll just Okay, good. Okay, that's it. Well, actually, if you, I guess this would be more effective if I go down underneath here. Okay, right. So I have to, yeah. Okay, I guess that's very reasonable enough. And get my, okay, we're good there. I just have to go down a little bit on the platform here. Hopefully I don't slip. Okay, so this is going to be a tight fit for me. And right, okay. Okay, have to position this a little bit here. Oh, Jesus, this is going to be a tight fit. Alright, okay. Alright, keep it cool, keep it cool. And I hate oil. I specifically hate damn oil. It's a good thing I brought a lot of thinner.
Hello, bridge forward.
Oh shit. I think Boston's gonna go inside.
Bridge. Yes, bird boson going down, bound Rastro.
Okay, I gotta switch this one.